2-month-old Keurig coffee maker won't turn on.
Do you know the model of your Keurig coffee maker?
Case Supreme.
How long has this been going on with your Keurig coffee maker? What have you tried so far?
Just today.checked outlet breaker.reset breaker.outlet is working as I plugged canopener in and it worked, but when I plug in the coffee maker the on button does not light up.
Is there anything else the repairman should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
No, that's it.
Hello, this is Woody, an appliance expert with JustAnswer.com. I want to let you know this chat is for a third-party technical help site. We provide technical assistance for owners doing DIY repair, and are not affiliated with any manufacturer or repair service. If you have technical questions, I can answer any of them, but this will require warranty service. And if the appliance is less than 1 year old, then you need to contact the manufacturer as it would be under warranty. This is not a manufacturer's website. You need to contact the manufacturer directly, not a third-party DIY out-of-warranty appliance website like this one.
Okay. My question is there a reset button on the coffee maker?
No, there is not a reset button.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.